I just installed the 6000 BTU Windmill air conditioner in the window. I want to hear how it sounds because I've only tested it out of the window, so I want to see how it sounds when it's in the window. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. We'll go to cool mode and turn the temperature all the way down to 60. It's on low right now. And that's going to go way up because this room is really hot, so it'll start increasing. But yeah, it seems pretty quiet. I'm going to let it run for a while and let the compressor come under load and see how it sounds then. I'm actually going to turn it up to high right now so we can hear that. So there's high speed. It is pretty quiet. This air conditioner isn't going to stay installed in this window because this room is way too big and the heat load is way too high for a 6000 BTU. I'm just doing this to see how it sounds when it's in the window. And here's the outside of it. As you can hear, they did a pretty good job with the sound insulation. You can't hear the compressor very much inside compared to how it is outside. Let's go back to low speed. I mean, you can definitely hear the compressor, which I think is fine. I like the way it sounds, but it's definitely a pretty quiet unit. Now I have other units that are pretty quiet as well, so it's not like this is a first or anything, but it is definitely a pleasant sound. The phone app works just fine. See, I can change the fan speed and pretty much do everything else. And this unit did come with a remote. You can change the temperature. You can set schedules and stuff like that in the app, which is a good thing because this thing does not have a timer built into it. And I guess most people these days would just prefer to use their phones to set schedules anyway. I would have liked to have seen a timer built in though. That would have been nice. Let's run it on medium. Not much louder than low speed. There's high again. This does have an auto function for the fan speed, so it'll choose the speed by itself based on the heat load. And just to go over the controls, this is the power button, Wi-Fi on and off. You can see the Wi-Fi is on right now. Filter, reminder, reset, mode button. You can choose between cool, eco, and fan only. Eco mode does basically what any energy saver mode on a window air conditioner does. Is when the compressor shuts off, it shuts the fan off as well. You've got fan speed and temperature up and down. I have decided to temporarily remove the GE Carry Cool from this bedroom here and install the Windmill air conditioner. Well, that was pretty easy to install. I ran the Windmill air conditioner all night last night. Worked pretty well. I kept it nice and cool in here, and the compressor is quiet when it starts. So overall I'm pretty happy with it for now. We'll have to see how long it lasts. It better last a long time, and I am going to be putting a drain hole in it so the water doesn't sit in the bottom and rust it out.